Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are having a good day. So today I'm going to be doing a huge Amazon nail supplies haul. So here's just an overview of everything I'm going to be unboxing in this video. So this first thing is just a solid nail gel from Macart, and then a Millie Builder base and top coat, a Model 1's color cube, another Model 1's color cube, but this one is supposed to be in the shape of a record. And then I will be unboxing this nail drill, this Beauty nail stamping polish kit, a Moravon polygel kit, Beetles gel liners, and then finally a Savvyland gel polish kit. I was super excited to unbox the polygel kit because I've never used polygel before, and I was really excited to see the colors and everything. So that is why I chose this one first to unbox. So let's take a look at it. The first thing I pulled out of the box was this bag of base coat, top coat, and a primer, and I saw that one of them leaked, so I'm going to unpackage this bag in a little bit once I get some gloves. This next thing is just a brush, and I'm sorry if the camera ever gets unfocused. I'm kind of trying out a new way of filming, so I'm still getting used to everything. I'm not a big fan of all these individually packaged things. Like, each of these clips are each in their own bag, and I don't understand why. But anyways, this next thing are 3 clips, so you can use them to hold the dual form onto your nail. And yes, there's only 3. I don't really understand why it didn't come with 5, but I'll still be able to work with it. Next is this small bottle of slip solution. This kit comes with 6 different colors. There are other options of colors. If you don't like these, you can get this same kit with different colors. I will be showing you each color and what it actually looks like. Not necessarily swatching them, but just squirting a little bit out on a sheet of paper and showing you what the true color looks like. In a different video, I will actually swatch them and do a review and do an actual nail set using this kit, so definitely stay tuned for that video. Here are what all the polygels look like. So I have a clear, white, kind of a dark brown, and then a lighter brown with some glitter sparkly things in it, and then a light pink, and then kind of like a pinkish orange, like maybe a coral color. Here are the dual forms I was talking about. It comes with 10 different sizes, and I'll show you what one of them looks like up close. The last thing that comes in this kit, besides the instruction manual, is this little nail file. Like I said, I was going to unpackage the top, base, and primer with gloves because I did see that one of them leaked. So yeah, here's just the base coat, top coat, and primer, and I'm definitely glad I wore gloves because when I was done, I saw gel polish all over the glove. I am glad that these were in bags so it didn't spill onto anything else in the box, but I'll just take some acetone later and just wipe them up so they're all clean and I can hold them. That is it for this Moravon polygel kit, and here's just an overview of everything it came with in the box, and then I will move on to the next thing I am unboxing. Next thing I'm going to be unboxing is this Model 1's color cube, and I have never tried Model 1's products before, so I'm super excited. And I also really do like solid cream gel polishes, so I'm really excited to unbox this one and also the other one I have that I will be unboxing in a little bit. I'm really loving their packaging. I love that holographic look on the box. And the gel polish palette itself kind of reminds me of like a makeup palette, and it's just so cute. And I feel like it would really be great for like traveling because it's super small and you could just fit it into a bag really easily. Plus, if you go with it on a plane, you probably wouldn't have to worry about it exploding because it is a solid cream gel. So the three things that I just pulled out of the box are just the instructions, the brush that it comes with, and then the, of course, gel polish palette. So the brush does have a lid, and I realized later that you can just put it on the back of the brush to make the brush longer, which I thought was really creative and nice. So if you want the brush to be longer, you can just do that. There are several different choices of the colors you can get in the color cubes. I decided on this neon and sparkly collection. I just thought the colors were so beautiful. As I am doing with the other products I'm unboxing, I am not actually swatching them in this video, but I will make a separate video for each of these products if I have not already. And I will swatch them in that video and do a nail set and review it and everything. So in this video, you'll just be able to see the colors in the color cube. Next thing I'm going to unbox from Amazon is this McCart Solid Nail Gel, and it is a 4-in-1, which means there are 4 different things you can use it as. So you can use it to apply nail tips. You can also use it to sculpt something onto your nails, like a little decoration, something 3D. I think you can also use it as a nail extension. And then the 4th thing, I cannot think of what it is, but I think this will be really useful to have. I'm just going to show you the texture of it using some gloves, and I had this problem last time, but it sticks to my gloves like crazy, and I think it's because my gloves are slightly textured, so I'm probably just going to get a different type of gloves that are completely smooth. I think that's what the problem is. Hopefully, because I don't know why else it would be sticking to my gloves like crazy, because I have seen other videos and people use gloves with it just fine and it doesn't stick to their gloves. So I think it's just because there's kind of a texture on my gloves. But as you can see, it's a really, really thick consistency. This next thing I actually got a little while ago as a Christmas present, but I wanted to still include it in the Amazon haul just because I still have the packaging and everything, so I might as well. And it is the Beauty Nail Stamping Polish Collection. Since I have had it for a while, I have already made a detailed video about it, so if you want to go see the review of it and all the swatches and everything, I will put that in the description box below. And I believe it was one of my very first videos on this channel, so I don't know how great of quality it is since I was just starting out with this channel, but I will link that in the description box below. I mean, it was only like 8 years ago, or no, not 8 years ago, it was 8 months ago. That would be crazy if it was 8 years ago and I still have this. But anyways, I will just be showing you all the colors in this video. Anyways, as you can see, there's a really good variety of colors in this kit, and I also did a nail stamp swatch for each of them so you guys can see what they look like. Moving on, the next thing I'm going to be unboxing is this really huge starter gel polish kit from Savvyland, and I have never gotten any products from Savvyland before, so I'm really excited to try them out. Once again, I am really loving this packaging. It is just really pretty and it stands out a lot. So it comes with some full cover coffin shaped nail tips, and they are fairly long, at least in my opinion, because I usually like short to medium sized nails, but I can always clip these down, so it's no problem at all. And since it is kind of a starter gel polish kit, it of course comes with a nail lamp. And there were also a lot of other things in the same box as the nail lamp. But for the nail lamp, it is a UV and LED. You can either turn it on and off, do 5 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. And it is motion sensing, which is something I really love to have with my nail lamps, so I really like that. And then there is also a bottom part to the nail lamp. With my other nail lamp that I have, it doesn't have a bottom, so I thought that was very interesting. And then of course it comes with a cord. The other items that came in the kit are nail removing wipes, toe separators, cuticle oil, a little brush, a cuticle removing tool, a dotting tool, and then a cuticle pusher, also a nail clipper, some nail glue, and then 2 different types of files and a buffer. So yeah, it literally comes with everything you need to get started with doing your own gel nails at home. So that is really nice. So now I'm just going to show you all of the colors it comes with. The kit comes with 10 different gel polishes. They are in a glass bottle, and they also come with a shiny top coat, a matte top coat, and then of course a base coat. And the colors will be swatched in a different video. A lot of these colors seem like really great fall colors. I also liked that they included a couple shades of gray because I actually do not have any gray gel polishes. And white and black are always nice to have because I use those 2 colors a lot. Next item I got from Amazon is this Amili Builder Base and No Wipe Top Coat. This is another product that I have already done a video on, so I will also link that in the description box below. So here are what the bottles look like, the builder base and then the top coat. I love that the bottles are pink. It makes it kind of different than a lot of other gel polish brands where a lot of times they're either white or black bottles. I've used this product a few times so far and I am loving it. I think builder gel is a really nice thing to have. There's just a lot of things you can use it for. Here is that Model 1's color cube I was talking about, and it's basically the same thing as the other one, except it's in different packaging that is really cute. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. And then also there's more colors than the last one, and so this color cube is supposed to look like a record, and I definitely think that it does, and it just makes it like 10 more times fun to use. I just love the packaging so much. It is so cute. The brush is basically the same except instead of silver it is black, and it still does have a lid, and you can put the lid on the back of the brush so it can be longer. Taking a look at the color cube now, it comes with 21 different colors. I always love peeling this thing off, it's just so satisfying. I also really love that each color is in a hexagon shape. As I've been doing with the other things that I have not swatched yet, I will just be swatching in a different video and making a whole video just about this kit. This is the second to last item I am showing you in this Amazon haul. If you still are watching, thank you so much, and I hope you are enjoying the video. This is another one that I have had for quite a while and have already made a video about it, but I still do have the packaging, so I thought I would include it in the haul. So these are the Beetles gel liners, and I have the rainbow collection, so there is a good variety of different colors. And if you do watch my videos frequently, I'm sure you've seen me use these because I use these a lot. They are really nice to have, really great for doing nail art, and I definitely recommend them. And finally, the very last item I will be unboxing from Amazon, a nail drill. Once again, I have made a video about this one, and it was fairly recently, but of course I will link it in the description box below. So the first thing I pulled out of the box is just this purple stand for the nail drill. You can just set it on there and not worry about it rolling away. And then here is the cord to the nail drill. This is a chargeable nail drill, so you don't need to have it plugged in all the time. You just need to charge it up occasionally. And then here are the drill bits and sanding bands that it came with. And then next is the actual nail drill. And then you would plug the nail drill into this and control the RPM and reverse or forwards. I have really been loving this nail drill so far, and it also comes in different colors if you do not like the pink and rose gold. I do know Amazon Prime Day is coming up very soon, so hopefully there might be some discounts on some of these products I just showed in this video. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye!